Okay, so this is the Carliber scientific calculator from CVS. In this video, I'm just going to show you some basic arithmetic, okay, and how it works. Kind of like give you an idea of how these algebraic calculators work. So, for example, 5 take away 8, right? You can see the screen is blank in this case. You can press the AC button. You can type 5, take away 8, and you can see that what you type is what you see on the page, and then you press equals, and that gives you -3, right? This one's a positive, this is negative. When the signs are different, you subtract, and then you keep the sign of the larger number. Okay. Let's say you were doing 5 times 4, right? So 5 times 4 on your calculator, and then you press equals, and it gives you 20. Let's say you wanted to add this answer, 20, and then subtract 8 to it. It's possible, okay? What you do is you can just press subtract, and it grabs the answer from the bottom, and then you press 8, and then it's equals, and then it gives you 12, okay? So let's say you had a negative number, like -9 take away 4, right? The negative key is right over here on this side. So you got to press negative first, and then 9. And then take away, not the minus key, but take away 4. And you press equals, -13. This one, if the signs are the same, you add, and then you keep the sign, right? Sometimes you'll see something like 9 plus -8, right? That's not too hard to do. You press 9, and then you press plus, and then you can put parentheses, and then this negative right here, negative, not the subtraction, negative, then 8, then close it, close parentheses, equals, and it gives you 1. And here you can see you get 9, a positive times a negative, that's right, negative. 9 take away 8, if the signs are the same, you subtract, and then keep the sign of the larger one. 9 take away 8, 9 take away 8 equals 1, right? Do I need the parentheses? Well, it depends on the calculator. Let's see. 9 or -9, right? Plus -8 equals, oh, sorry, wrong problem, right? -9, right? Plus -8 equals, am I doing the right one? Yes, I am, aren't I? It doesn't do it. Oh, wait, okay. Okay, so do I need the parentheses? Let's find out. 9 plus -8 equals 1. See that? So we don't. Some other basic operation would be something like 3 squared, right? 3, and then the square button, and you press equals, that gives you 9. Or in this case, there's an x cubed, right? Like 4 cubed, you can press 4, and then the x to the cube, and then it gives you 64, right? Another basic arithmetic is like taking the square root of 16. You take the square root, you take 16, you press equals, gives you 4, okay? So that gives you a super very quick way of utilizing arithmetic with the Carliber scientific calculator from CVS. If you like this video, please subscribe, Please tell your friends. There's much more videos on this calculator, like a beginner's guide. Please tell your teacher. If you're inclined to support the channel, please give thanks. And if you have any comments, put them down on the description below, below the description below. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.